Start.
I am Yaadu&Yaash. I from Vidyalam. I make volcanoes in mud and put some mud and so on, and make a volcano shape and put some water and it's a volcano.
Then what?
And